everyone. Good morning to all. How are you kids? Hope you all are doing good and taking care of your health. Let's begin our session with oral A to Z. Children, you have to say oral A to Z every day. Okay? A for apple. B for ball. C for car. D for doll. E for elephant. F for frog. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for quill. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for teddy. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for Christmas tree. Y for yacht. And Z for zebra. Children, now look into the chart. We learn up to letter H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And in our previous session we do matching also. Matching means what we did? We match these pictures with their letters. We identify these letters whose name begins with which letter and join them by drawing line. I hope now you all are able to identify the pictures. Okay. Now today we are going to learn two letters. Letter I and letter J. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. You like to eat ice cream? But now rainy season is going on. So don't eat ice cream. Ice cream खाने से क्या होता है? सर्दी, cold and cough होता है. You have to take care of yourself. Okay? And what is the sound of letter I? E. What is the sound of letter I? E. This is capital I. This is small I. I for ice cream. Now look in your textbook. On page number 9. I for ink pot. I for iguana. Iguana is an animal, belongs to lizard family. And what is the color of this iguana? Green color. I for insects. Insects मतलब mosquito, cockroaches, ant. You like insects? No. Insects spread diseases and make us sick. We remove them by cleaning our house. I for igloo. Igloo is a house made up of snow. I for infant. Newborn babies, small babies. I for inside. This parrot is inside the cage. Inside means under. Now letter J. J for jug. J for jug. And what is the sound of letter J? J. J for jug. Jug. This is capital J and this is small j. J for joker. We see joker in circus. Joker makes us laugh. Now see in your textbook on page number 12. J for jug. J for jelly. Sweet jelly. J for jam. You like to eat jam? Fruit jam, very healthy. J for jacket. We wear in winter season. J for jellyfish. Jellyfish is a water animal. And J for jar. Jar is a container. Now I will teach you how to write letter I and letter J. For I, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, capital I. For small I, standing line and one dot, small I. Capital J, sleeping line, standing line and curve. Small j, standing line, curve and dot. Capital I, small I, capital J, small j. Now see in your notebook. Red line, blue line, blue line, red line. Red line, sleeping line, red line to blue line, standing line and sleeping line. Small I, standing line between blue line and dot. Capital J, sleeping line, red line to blue line, draw standing line and curve. Small j, blue line to red line, standing line and curve. Small j, capital I, small I, capital J, small j. Now activity time. For letter I draw cone and we require some cotton balls and fevistick and brown crayon. Okay, apply glue. Children, which is your favorite flavor ice cream? Mine is vanilla. कैसा होता है vanilla? White and soft. Now these cotton balls stick like this. And brown color crayon for this cone. Now this activity is completed. Ice cream activity is completed. You have to do like this. You can use any color for this I, capital I and small I. Now for J letter activity. For this activity we required origami paper. I cut into circle shape. These three circles are same. This smiley, this circle and this two little circle and this leg cut out. Okay, now just fold this circle, don't join it, just fold. Okay, now you can do like this. Okay, now we are this leg. Now this. Now I am joining it by using fevistick. Okay. Now our J for Joker activity is completed. You have to do like this. This is J activity and this is I activity. Okay. So children, what you learned today? Letter I, capital I, and this is small I. And letter J, capital J and small j. I hope you enjoyed the session and activity. Send me pics. Bye. Take care.